This episode is a continuation from last week, where I featured the 4th annual Busapalooza rally. It was a blast, too. This week, we'll dig into more of the beautiful luxury park, a fun little infusion time, the historic Washington on the Brazos, and last but not least, some beautiful coaches. We are here staying at the Hilltop at Brenham, and this is Shanna.
Yes.
And I'm gonna let her talk about it. But anyway, she's a fantastic person, and she is, do I say co-owner?
Co-owner, yes. It's my husband and I, and then we have another couple.
Okay.
Wendy and Matt, who are also owners with us, that we kind of just jumped into this little plan.
Well, tell me, so this park was already established, and you bought it.
No, it wasn't.
So y'all built it.
Right, yes. We built approximately 40 acres about 3 years ago.
Okay.
And it took us a little over a year to completely develop this land.
Oh.
And engineer and bring the water in and the electricity in, sites, everything in. So we developed it from scratch.
So in what year was that?
Oh,
or
gosh.
how?
Well, I mean, we've been open a year and a half. So just a few years. So we're very new.
Great.
Yes.
Now, did y'all travel beforehand to want to be able to do a RV park?
Well, we actually, both us and our partners, we live in the Woodlands, which is an hour from here, and we love this area. Our partner, he actually is from LaGrange, which is only about 20 miles from here, and we have the big Round Top days, which is in the fall and the spring. So this area is just very popular, and it's with the Round Top days, but also with just the great town of Brenham.
Yeah.
And we're kind of in that in-between mark between Houston and Austin and San Antonio. So this is just a great location to get to so many different fabulous locations in this region of Texas. So we thought that this would just be a great place to create this idea that we had.
This paradise.
Yes.
And it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
How many spots are there here?
Okay, so we have 140 RV spots,
140.
and then we have 4 cottages.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yes.
over on this side.
Yes, over
All
on
right.
that side.
All
yes.
right.
And then, of course, we have our hacienda with 4 full showers and bathrooms, and then also a laundry facility, I think with 9 washer and dryers for our guests.
Great.
And an exercise room. And then, of course, a pool table in here and a hangout lounge area in here that we leave open 24 hours a day for guests to come in and mingle and hang out here after hours. And then, of course, we close our store and our front desk. You know, that's open usually from 8 to 5 for the most days. And then also on the property, of course, we have our pool and hot tub. Mm-hmm. And then we have 2 pickleball courts and 2 dog parks, 1 large dog park and 1 small dog park.
Oh, great.
Yes. And then, of course, we have our famous hay barn.
Yes.
Which is a great place. We have a few barbecue grills there for our guests to utilize, and a shuffleboard table, darts, big screen TV, and just another area that you can book private parties, get-togethers, or just come at your leisure while you're a guest here and use those facilities.
It's the grounds are beautiful.
Thank you very much.
And my favorite is this area right out here with the big, beautiful, are they oak trees?
Yes, we have 3 100-year-old oak trees. So we basically planned everything around those oak trees.
Around those trees.
Of course, we did not. We had them all fenced off during construction. Nobody touched the roots, nothing.
Yeah, because if it wasn't for those 3 trees right there, I'm picturing it without it. I mean, it'd still be pretty.
Right.
But that's your gold right there.
Right.
I mean, it's beautiful.
Yes.
And I knew that they were old because they were so huge.
Well, and I don't know if you've had a chance to go over there. We have beautiful oak trees along our 2 ponds that are fully stocked catch and release ponds.
Oh, I didn't see the pond. Well, it's absolutely beautiful.
Well, thank
and,
you.
And you're right. I love the location. And we got to tour Bluebell yesterday.
Yes,
I'd never done that before. So I've never been to Brenham, and we've had so many activities here with our rally. I still haven't gone to town yet.
Oh, we just went to lunch there. It is such a great little town. They always have great entertainment and get-togethers and just like county events.
Really?
And then we have like the lavender farms, and we have some vineyards, and there's so much to see and do around here.
Really?
It's a great little area. Washington County, just overall.
Now Mark and I yesterday went to Texas history. Washington on the Brazos.
Oh yes, isn't that fabulous?
It's so humbling.
Yes.
I mean, so where the help me out, not Constitution, but the Independence.
Yes, the Independence was signed.
Yes, that little building, it was humbling to me.
Yes.
And I mean, I was expecting some colonial, kind of like Independence Hall in Philadelphia, but smaller.
Oh,
I was picturing something like that.
Yes.
But it really touched me.
Yes.
To think that the importance was right there in that little not building, but like a house.
It was like a house. Yes.
Yeah. It was unreal.
Yeah, there's a lot of history around here and a lot of just wonderful things to see and do here.
Yeah. It seems very comfortable, very inviting and relaxing.
Yes.
And kind of like,
especially like our porch here too.
Yes.
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, so we're very excited to have Busapalooza here again for the second time, and we usually like to have them mostly around the hay barn so they can have your events, because
closer.
The rallies are great because y'all all just have such a great time, and everything is so organized, and all the activities that they plan, the different activities that have your barbecues and all that. It's just a lot of fun.
This is the first Busapalooza that we've been to. Of course, they're only fourth. This is the fourth one, the fourth year. But we just heard about it, so we thought, well, let's do that.
Yeah,
so
well, that's
I'm so
great.
glad we did.
Yeah, we're glad you're here.
But, Shanna, thank you so much for spending your time. I know you're busy, but it is a beautiful place.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Okay. We are having some infused cocktails through Southern Spirits here. You can reuse these up to 3 times. And it makes pretty large amounts. And depending upon which one you choose, they're just like very tasty. Really? Yeah, you put the bucket in there for 3 days, and then you make this size cocktail that will last for up to like 6 months. This is the apple pie vodka martini. And then we have here the spiced pear martini. And then this is an old fashioned this way. And then this is the Mexican cocoa cocktail with espresso.
God, there's so many of them.
So many, yes. I mean, they have probably 8 or 9 flavors.
Okay, so this is a Mead.
Yeah. So this is blueberry and lemon here. And then this is hot and bun. This is a kick of jalapeno and lemon. It's very good. It's interesting. And then this is their sangria as well, which has some cinnamon, like a cinnamon kick to it. And then we have one with like strawberries and lime. It's called 17, which we have in the store. And there's like 2 more. Here we go. Very good. Very good. Okay, guys, I made a decision. I'm going to get... So, don't judge me.
Continue for 4 miles.
We are at, where are we? We are at Washington on the Brazos, and we're going to go tour Independence Hall
And for those who don't know what that is when Texas was an independent republic, this is where the capital was.
Yes, and that was in 1836 to 1846. This is not what I was expecting. Was it you?
I'm not sure what to have expected.
I was expecting like Independence Hall, like for the United States. I mean, a big, beautiful plantation type building.
Doesn't look quite as fancy as the White House or anything of today.
No, very humbling. And we are, though, standing on the very site where...
The very building.
The very building, right, where the Declaration was signed to give us independence from Mexico. General Santa Anna, I think he was here as well. And we got our independence. Not what I was expecting. Let's look at the outside. Very humbling. There were 59 people here to witness the signing of the independence. On this spot was made the Declaration of Texas Independence, March 2nd, 1836. thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
Because she's doing all the cooking.
No, he's going to do the dressing.
And turkey.
And turkey. So, the two main things. So,
But anyway, have a great Thanksgiving.
yes. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.